Day 2 of the vaccination dry run that's taking place in 4 states of India, namely Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat and Punjab. This is a very important day. The mock drill will be conducted on tests laid out of mechanisms of COVID-19 vaccinations in the state and provide insights into any gaps that it will be addressed before the commencement of the actual vaccination drive. Now, as per the checklist shared by the states by the Union Territory of Health and Family Welfare, beneficiaries will be presided and an SMS will be sent to them in advance with the name of the vaccinator and the time of immunization. After the vaccination, they will be under observation for the next 30 minutes to be addressed any adverse event. A report on the dry run listing the issues involved to be submitted by the states of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare besides the state task force for necessary action. My colleague Amardeep is reporting live outside the civil hospital. Amardeep, day 2 of the vaccine dry run, a big step for India. Now, January is the target where the dry run will actually take place. This is happening in 4 states. We observed this happening yesterday also. What are you picking up at the top of 9?
Exactly, Adhiraj. Today is a very important day just because it might be a mock drill, but it will be conducted in a very professional manner just because when the vaccine will arrive in the hospitals and the public health centers, the exercise will be repeated in a very professional manner. We are just standing outside the COVID vaccine area. A separate ward was set up in the civil hospital of Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar just because it is the second center in Punjab which was selected for the dry run process of COVID vaccine. The dummy exercise will be starting very soon just because they have selected 25 health workers on each location, and even this exercise will go simultaneously on 5 different locations in Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar. This is the waiting room, Adhiraj. According to the SOPs issued by the Union Government, the first room is the waiting room where the beneficiaries will be sitting here and waiting for their own turn. And in fact, the social distancing is being maintained, the entire room is being sanitized, and the health workers are here to take care of them just because in case any symptomatic person found or traced here, he will be shifted from this very much point to the other part of the hospital. And in fact, according to SOP, this is the vaccination room. This is the second room, and this is the step 2 of dry run, the vaccination room where the vaccination will be administered to the beneficiaries. And in fact, you can see the one desk is set up for the data verification of the beneficiary. Laptop is here. They will check everything. Either the beneficiary name of beneficiary will be uploaded on the application and all the things to be verified. And this is the desk that has been set up for the administration of the vaccine. The shot vaccine, dummy vaccine shot will be given at this desk, and it is completely set up. And even I would like to show you the visuals of the dummy vaccine boxes also. The hospital has already placed this dummy vaccine boxes in the vaccination room, and this is how the practice will go on. Just because in Ludhiana there are 7 locations identified for the dry run process, and in Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar there are 5 locations set up, and the exercise will go simultaneously at all the centers. Yes, Adhiraj.
Right, all important developments coming in, shifting focus and cutting across live to my colleague Priyanka, who's reporting right outside the Adalaj APDC in Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Priyanka, you are also reporting from one of the states that has been selected for the dry run, as India wanted to cover all different corners of the country. Now, January is the target. We spoke to you yesterday also. You were tracking the latest developments coming in regarding this dry run. What are you picking up at the top of 9 a.m.?
Well, absolutely. Let us also show you the visuals of the PHC as well. We're going to speak to several of the doctors as well. Let's show you how they have been set up. Let's show you exactly how the setup has been done. This is, of course, the entry point where the people will be sanitized. And, of course, later on, they will be going towards a waiting area where all the beneficiaries will be seated. And after that, of course, you can see a lot of hustle bustle because there's a last-minute prep that's going on just just a few minutes from now, we can expect that beneficiaries will be arriving here, 25 or so health workers. In fact, some of them are already here. We'll show you visuals of the waiting area where all these people have been seated. And from here, several of these doctors are also here, of course. But apart from this, from here, the waiting area, there will be a room that has been set up for the vaccination as well. In this particular room where the dummy vaccine shots will also be given. So this entire setup has been done for the dummy vaccine process as well. Here the patients will be made to lie down or seated and the dummy vaccine shots will be given. You can see that the last minute prep that has been going on by the doctors, by the health workers here as well. Today 25 health workers are going to be here to be a part of this entire dummy vaccine and dry run of the entire vaccine process. Apart from that, of course, after the entire vaccine administration is done, they will be given 30 minutes of an observation period. 30 minutes they will be kept in a room for observation to make sure that there are no side effects, that there are no, we actually have the PHC superintendent. Sir, what are the preparations going on? What is the last minute prep that's going on and how do you see the dry run here?
इंग्लिश में कहो हाँ हाँ अच्छा मैडम सेशन चालू हो गया है ठीक 9 बजे हमने सेशन चालू कर दिया है आई वॉज द फर्स्ट बेनिफिशियरी एट माई CHC एक बेनिफिशियरी में करीबन 3 मिनट लगती है एंट्री करने में तो मुझे लगता है सब इजीली स्मूथली जाएगा
Absolutely. So you can see how the entire prep is going on and the doctors have made sure that all the beneficiaries are seated here and the entire process goes efficiently and smoothly, and the entire reason for this dummy vaccine process that is being carried out to make sure that when the actual vaccine rolls out, there is no loopholes and there are no hiccups in the entire process. Yes, Adhiraj.
Right, many thanks to both my colleagues Amandeep and Priyanka for tracking the latest developments coming in.